Hi everyone, Sean with MarineMax Palm Beach, and today we're on this beautiful Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS that we're going to do a walkthrough video on. So first things first, as you can see, this boat is equipped with twin Mercury 300 horsepower, pushes this boat really nice, max speed around 45 miles an hour. And I want to note one thing, with these engines all the way up and the platform up, you still have a really nice walkway behind here. So imagine when you're at the sandbar, engines down and platforms down. It's just a really nice place to hang out. Coming forward, we have this nice aft-facing seat that when you're at the sandbar, engines trimmed in the water and the platform down. Electric release right here. This lays all the way flat, and then this seat actually comes up and becomes a nice lounger for you, so you can sit and face backwards. Nice seat over here on the port side as well. We do have a grill and a little sink right there. Fridge with your trash receptacle right here. Coming into the cockpit, we have a nice L-shaped seating right here. Two teak tables that you can remove one or both, create a large open space for entertainment area. Port side seating, and this seat actually moves forward and back as well. So when you're not underway, you can really include the passenger as well. Double wide on the helm. Two SIMRAD units right here. Your radio, VHF, and all your electricals right here. This boat is joystick equipped, so it makes it really nice for docking sideways or if you have crazy tides. Trim tabs, and just a really nice finish overall from Cruisers on this captain's area. So now we're down below on the 34 GLS. As you can see, we have a nice teak table down here. Whether you want to eat lunch, dinner, or just want to hang out, perfect spot to do it. This table actually removes as well, and you have a cushion that slides out, and this whole area becomes a bed. So that's really nice when you're out in the Bahamas, you know, want to sleep with your family and everything, you can do it right in here. So this 34 GLS does have a wet head, toilet, and a sink, and what I like about it is they have a separate shower head, so you don't have to use the sink's faucet to shower as well. Plenty of storage in there. And then down below, you actually have a single bed as well that you can store the kids down there if you needed to. Now let's check up the front. So now we're going up to the bow. Before we get to the bow, I want to point out really nice storage down here. You can do your dock lines, dock pole, whatever you need. Open these both up and just send them right in here. As you can see, they're connected to each other, and it does have a drain if you put anything wet. We have a nice bow block door right here, and the windshield closes. And then up here, really nice job by Cruisers Yachts, really expanding the space and making this day boat a true entertainer. As you can see, we have a filler cushion right here. You can remove it, change the pedestal, and then it raises the table up, so you have a bow table as well. Cooler down below here. And then obviously your windlass control with your stainless steel anchor. This boat is equipped with the front shade system. So as you can see, right here, that's where the poles go. And you can shade off this whole area. Again, this is Sean with MarineMax Palm Beach. Come visit us and check out this 34 GLS.